We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape for beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once it's open, you'll see a blank canvas where you can start creating your designs. To begin, let's familiarize ourselves with the tools on the left side of the screen. The Select tool, which looks like an arrow, is essential for moving and resizing objects. Click on it to activate it. Next, the Draw tool allows you to create freehand lines and shapes. Click the icon that looks like a pencil, then click and drag on the canvas to draw. To create more precise shapes, you can use the Shapes tools. Click the rectangle or ellipse icon to draw those shapes. Simply click and drag on the canvas to create them. If you want to change the color of an object, use the Fill and Stroke panel. Select your object, go to the Object menu at the top, and choose Fill and Stroke. A panel will appear on the right, allowing you to adjust the fill color, and stroke width. Now, let's talk about layers. Layers help you organize different elements of your design. Go to the Layers menu at the top and choose Add Layer, name your layer, and then you can work on different parts of your design separately. To add text, click on the Text tool, which looks like an A. Click on your canvas and start typing. You can adjust the font and size in the top toolbar. If you need to align your objects, select them and go to the Object menu. Then choose Align and Distribute. This will bring up a panel to help you align objects perfectly. Remember, Inkscape is all about experimenting, so feel free to explore other tools and features as you become more comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.